articulating scientific concepts is critical to gain public trust. And it's something that I've really wanted to do myself as a scientist during this pandemic. Yet, it's been very challenging because sometimes the science is not fully established. It's constantly evolving, so it's not absolute or clear. Our panel of researchers, communication and policy specialists, public and patient representatives are going to share the lessons that they learned from their COVID-19 public engagement activities. So please, please do come and join us. See you there. Bye.